And being the representative of Leonardo da Vinci House, I'll be explaining you about the house vote on the topic International Dance Day. International Dance Day is observed every year on 29th April and it was May. This day marks the cultural significance of dance forms in different regions of the world and tells us how dance is not only important for our body and physical fitness, but also for the joy and happiness of our inner mind and soul. It also tells us how dance is a language of movements. It can be understood by everyone throughout the world, breaking all the language barriers in between. This day also commemorates the birth anniversary of Jean George Dornan, who was a ballet dancer who played an important role in the development of modern ballet dance. There are two main branches of dance, classical and western. Now, Pankuri and Prachi will be explaining you further. Hip hop is a very well-known Western dance, which is not only known for its catchy beats but also for its respectful history. It originated in 1970s in New York, which was used by the Afro-Blacks of America to represent themselves and show their rebellion. It has five main elements: MC, breaking, freeze, music, and beats. Some popular classical dances are Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kathak, Bengali, Odissi, and etc. Now I'll be telling you about the beautiful quotations written over here. Let your life lightly dance on the edges of time, like dew on the tip of a leaf. As you must have seen that when a dewdrop rests on the tip of the leaf, it makes the leaf look more beautiful. In the same manner, when dance rests inside our soul looks more beautiful from the inside and we feel the joy in our body. And when the dewdrop falls off from the tip of the leaf, it appears as if the leaf is dancing. And I hope you enjoyed the day.